Okay, here's what I got. I got a Built TBA675 EC trimmer. I'm posting this video because I couldn't find one how to fix it, but the pull start quit engaging. It was free turning, it wouldn't engage the clutch. These little wings catch on here. Problem is you can't get them to hold back. If you look here, there's a little hole. Next to the plastic. I'm going to try to do this. Take a piece of string, thick nylon, slide in the back of the hole. A little bit. Do it on both sides. And it'll hold it the way it's supposed to be. You can slide the pull start and clutch back on, tighten up all the bolts, pull the strings out, and it'll start re-engaging. Now this will probably avoid your warranty if you go back into it. I'm not a mechanic on it, that's just the way I figured out how to fix it. Good luck, have fun.